predict audience reactions, and even help writers craft more compelling storylines. This doesn't mean robots are writing our movies, but it gives human writers a powerful tool to enhance their creativity and storytelling abilities. AI can also help develop more complex and well-rounded characters. By analyzing existing stories and character archetypes, AI can assist writers in creating characters that are both relatable and intriguing, adding depth and richness to the narrative. Section 4. Hollywood's Take experts weigh in on the digital revolution. The rise of digital humans and AI in filmmaking is a hot topic in Hollywood, and everyone from directors to actors has an opinion. Ben Affleck, a leading man in countless blockbusters, recently shared his thoughts. Affleck believes AI is a powerful tool that can make filmmaking more efficient and accessible. It can handle tedious tasks, leaving artists more time to focus on creativity. However, he's also emphasized the irreplaceable human element of storytelling. Movies are about connecting with the human experience, Affleck said. While AI can imitate, it can't replicate the depth of emotion and creativity that humans bring to the screen. His viewpoint reflects a common sentiment in the industry. AI is seen as a valuable tool, but not a replacement for human artistry and vision. Section 5. The Human Touch. Why we still need movie stars. Despite the incredible advancements in technology, there's something about watching a human face convey a complex emotion that a digital creation just can't replicate. It's the raw, unfiltered connection that makes us laugh, cry, and cheer along with our favorite characters. It's this irreplaceable human element that will ensure the enduring power of human actors. We connect with their vulnerabilities, their triumphs, and their flaws in a way that transcends digital perfection. The future of film is likely a collaboration between humans and technology. AI and digital humans will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, but the heart and soul of storytelling will always lie in the hands of human artists. It's this unique blend of technology and humanity that will shape the future of cinema.